Imagine this. You're sitting at home, confident in your prepping skills when suddenly an unstoppable enemy marches in. No, it's not looters. It's something far smaller and far more relentless. Ants. They can overrun your home, compromise your food supplies, and create chaos in ways you'd never expect. An invasion could strike when you least expect it, but with the right preparation, you can stay one step ahead. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, your go-to channel for survival, self-reliance, and all things prepping. In our last video, we explored top 5 prepper-friendly movies you can't miss, filled with valuable survival lessons. And today, we're switching gears to tackle a real-life scenario, preparing for an ant invasion. Let's dive in. The first step is knowing your enemy. Ants leave chemical trails to lead others to food sources. That's why a single crumb on your counter can turn into a full-scale invasion overnight. So ask yourself, how secure is your food storage? And how clean is your home? Fortify your perimeter. Ants are master infiltrators. Seal cracks around windows, doors, and walls. Use weather stripping, caulk, or even natural deterrents like diatomaceous earth. Have you checked your home for any hidden entry points they might exploit? Create barriers and deterrents. Ants hate strong smells like vinegar, cinnamon, and peppermint. Use these as natural barriers. But don't just repel them, bait them. Strategic bait traps can wipe out the colony from the inside. Are you ready to outsmart the swarm? Protect your stockpile. Your food storage is their ultimate prize. Transfer all food items into airtight, pest-proof containers. But here's a question. Is your emergency stockpile stored somewhere elevated and secure? Ant-proof your gardening space. In the garden, ants often signal the presence of aphids. Keep your plants safe by using neem oil or introducing natural predators like ladybugs. How well prepped is your garden to resist an invasion? Here's the twist. Ants aren't just pests. They can be an incredible survival asset. In many cultures, ants are a source of protein, highly nutritious and available in abundance during a crisis. If you're in a true SHTF scenario, could you flip the script and turn this problem into a solution? Ant invasions can be a prepper's nightmare or an unexpected opportunity. Are you prepared to face them head-on? Or better yet, could you make them part of your survival strategy? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to catch our next video, Survival Fishing, Catching Fish with Limited Gear. Whether it's ants in your pantry or fish in the wild, survival is all about strategy and adaptability. Hit that like button, subscribe for more prepping wisdom, and share this video with your fellow preppers. Until next time, stay prepared, stay resilient, and stay ahead on the Prepper's Path.